yeah, yeah, yeah. Feelings.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you a easy soft glam, and as you can see my eyebrows is already done. Let's just get into the tutorial. I'm going to be starting off with foundation, and this is the new Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 370, and also my face is primed and moisturized as well. What I like about this foundation, it's a soft matte finish, it's medium to full coverage, and it just leaves your skin looking very flawless. I absolutely love it. Each product that I also use in this tutorial is all new products, so I was really excited about trying out each of these products. Okay, and now the next product I have is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC35. And I'm just going to take my concealer brush and start highlighting my face. I'm going to highlight under my eyes. And when I'm done highlighting under my eyes, I'm gonna move on to my chin, well, my cupid's bow, then my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. What I like about this concealer, it's very thick, it's creamy, and I also like to let it sit, because the longer you let it sit, the thicker it's going to be and the more coverage you're going to have. So next what I'm doing is taking my Real Techniques makeup sponge. It is also damped, and I'm just going to be blending out that concealer. Okay, this is my normal setting powder I use. It's the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to be setting everywhere I place that concealer. You know, my chin, under my eyes, my forehead, and also the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my smile lines. And I'm just going to be taking this makeup brush and dusting away all that powder. Alright, so my next new product that I picked up is the Model's Own Contour Stick, and I like this because it's like a, on my skin tone it came out kind of a cool tone, which worked for me. I mean, that's okay with me. So it's also a really creamy contour stick, so that's why I liked it. I was excited that I actually, you know, chose this, you know, to buy and to try out and stuff. But yeah, I'm just contouring my cheeks and my nose and stuff like that, and my song came on, so y'all know I had to jam a little bit. But yeah, I'm just blending out that contour, snatching my cheeks and also my nose. Once that is all blended out, I like to take the setting powder and cut my contour just to make my contour look a bit more precise, and I like to leave that on while I do the remaining of my makeup. What you see me doing now is kind of like bronzing up my face a little bit using the Black Radiance contour palette. And then I picked up this eyeshadow palette, the Morphe palette 9B. I really love this palette. As you can see, I'm just trying to see what type of look I'm going to be doing. But yeah, I just picked up this palette because a girl like me, I don't normally wear eyeshadow. So if you're a girl like me, you're not really comfortable, or you just a beginner, this is the perfect palette. It's a bronzy eyeshadow palette, and it has a lot of shimmery gold colors in there as well. So right now I'm just basically putting a color, I believe it was like a cool brown tone color, into my crease. And I'm going to take that next color and dip, like, what I'm trying to say, I'm gonna be deepening up the crease a little bit, just to give it a little bit more definition. So that's what you see me doing right here. And right now I am just blending out any harsh edges and stuff like that. And now what I'm doing is kind of cutting my crease, but not really. This is just this concealer is just going to help my next eyeshadow color pop. It's going to be like a gold shimmery eyeshadow color. So I'm just going to place that onto my lid, and I'm going to take the gold color and I'm going to place that onto the concealer. Now, as you can see, I am using a brush, which was doing an okay job. But I'm learning at this, so I decided to take my finger, and it actually worked out amazing. So that's another tip you could use if you want your eyeshadow to be a bit more pigmented and stuff like that. You can use your finger and it will work out amazing. Right now I'm just blending out once again any harsh edges and stuff like that, because blending is key. So I made sure I want to blend out anything that's looking funny. And right now what I'm doing is darkening up my outer corners a bit. And I'm just brightening up my inner corner with a more shimmery champagne color eyeshadow, just to brighten up my eyes a little bit, because I feel like it needed a bit more brightness to it. So I also did my other eye off camera, and this next product I picked up is the Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner. I actually love it. It's like a matte eyeliner. I actually like it. I'm not used to a matte eyeliner, but it's really pigmented. It's really black. And yeah, I picked this up at Sephora, and I was also excited that I got this and got to try it out as well. It's one of my new favorite products. So yes. Went ahead and did my other eye off camera, and now I picked up these eyelashes from Ulta, the Cosmetic London eyelashes. I'm just applying those, and now what I'm doing is just placing some eyeliner on my lash line, or is it waterline? I get those two so mixed up, but yeah, I'm just putting some eyeliner on. And now what I'm doing is placing some brown eyeshadow on the bottom of my lash line. And just kind of smoking it out a little bit. And taking this brush and just cleaning up anything that looks too harsh and just needs to be smoked out a little bit. My next new product that I've picked out is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love this. It makes my lashes look so long and so full, and I just love it. So yeah, you guys should definitely go check out that mascara. And what I'm doing now is dusting off the remainder of that setting powder, and as you can see, my cheeks look snatched, okay? So I also picked up this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Rose. It's so gorgeous, especially on my skin. Guys, like, I'm telling y'all, if anything, pick up this blush, okay? But yeah, now it's time for highlight, and this is the Sephora Golden Hour highlighter, and it's like a bronzy highlighter. It's really pretty, really subtle, nothing too like whoa. But yeah, I also really love this highlighter as well. And right now I'm just highlighting my brow bones a little bit, just to give them a little bit extra shine and brightness to them. I'm also highlighting my nose, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and also my forehead a little bit. Right now you just see me lining my lips. And I picked up this new NYX lingerie liquid lipstick in the color Exotic. I really like this. It's very like a nudie burgundy type of color. It's really cute. Now I'm just throwing on some random lip gloss because I like a glossy look. And last but not least, I'm gonna set all of my makeup and my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. I absolutely love this setting spray. I will definitely be using it in my everyday makeup routines. And that is basically it for my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked my new products that I tried out. I think you should go check them out. I would just want to say thanks to everybody who's been watching my channel and supporting me and stuff like that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.